Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, Turbo is mooning, boys and girls. If you haven't bought into it, you already missed it. But look, I mean, this is why you got to subscribe. That's why you got to follow the channel, stay notified, follow my Twitter, join the private community. Guys, look, this is why it's so important. I've been preaching about this coin everywhere for months. I'll actually show you one possible key area where you can still get in. No, you're not going to get premium price. You've had that chance for literally months now. And look, man, it is what it is. But look, with Turbo, you can still make so much money. So let's just jump right into it. All right, boys and girls, as you guys see, this is the chart, right? We can see Turbo has finally gone past its previous highs pretty much in late May. Now, for let's see how long. For around 140 days, at one point, you guys could have got in at a very premium price, or a good price, or still fairly good price. And if you haven't, you missed it. It's as simple as that. Turbo will not be going back down to these prices. Okay? It simply won't. We pretty much had a range for a while, and now we're breaking out of the range. And it's not going to come back until altcoin season's over, this bull run's over. So if you did not buy during those premium prices, you've missed it. I'm sorry to tell you. However, right, for those that have, this is a celebration. And for those that still want to get in, listen up, because I'm telling you, this is going to be possibly your final price you might get in. No, it's not going to be down here, but look, it's still better here than never, right? So pretty much, as you can tell, if we go on a daily, we kind of were lingering around the tops of Turbo, right? Then yesterday we kind of pulled down, and today we blasted through. Okay, we blasted through. Now, what I think is going to happen? Well, I think there's going to be a very, very minor sell-off, possibly it'll tap, and a big continuation. Okay, so if you're looking to get into Turbo, you're going to be looking to be buying between these prices here. Okay, that is your best case scenario at this point. Turbo will not be falling through down here. The only scenario, like literally 1 in a billion, is if something seriously went wrong with Bitcoin and we were all wrong about this altcoin season. All right, so this is the market cap of Turbo, currently around 700 million. Guys, you already know, I already think this thing's going to hit multiple billions, tens of billions in the low end in a conservative scenario, right? Obviously, I want it to hit more than that. And, there's a good chance it still will, especially if there's going to be 2 or 3 times more money in this bull run than expected, right? If we expect a simple double the amount of money that we had last time, then I think the price I gave is very realistic and conservative. Obviously, if you have like 3 or 4 times more money than last time, Turbo can be hitting those 20 to 30 billions, if not even more. So exciting times. You guys are still early, right? In the short term, I mean, right now, this is all I can give you. Short term, I do believe there's going to be a very minor pullback to pretty much test these tops. So I would not be surprised if price slows down, pulls back a little bit for a day or two max, most likely, and continues going up. Okay, because if we actually look at the chart over here, right, we can see kind of once we expanded, right, we are on 4 hour. Kind of once we expanded, we were only retesting the tops for about like 12 hours before we started to pump. And we started to pump. Then again, we consolidated just for about like the 8 to 12 hours. And then we pumped again, right? Boom. We had a little scare here. But I was like, no, guys, this is still good, looking good. I don't know if you guys watched those old videos. And then boom, we were pumping. And then it was here where I said, okay, guys, Turbo is going to reverse. I did get clowned on a little bit, but I mean, I understand people think it's just gonna moon. It's called ignorance, right? Boom, boom, right? We have a lower high, and eventually we sell off, right? And yeah, so same thing is gonna play out. Right now, where currently Turbo is right here. This is it. This is it. This is where we're at right now. So you don't have time. You don't have time to make more purchases with Turbo. Like this is it. like I said, you're not gonna be getting this premium price, right? You're not gonna be getting this premium price over here. You missed it. But guys, look, it's looking fantastic. I'll be updating you on Turbo. So make sure to like and subscribe. And guys, I'll talk to you guys next time.